Today, we're talking with Professor Cohn, who's the professor and chair of the Department of Physiology and Biomedical Sciences. Professor Cohn, when did you take organic chemistry in college?
I decided at the end of my sophomore year, I actually wanted to be a biologist. So I had to go off and take both the course and the labs just during the summer in 1978. So almost 40 years ago.
That's a long time ago.
Yeah, in fact, it's so long ago that when I took organic chemistry lab, the professor actually used to go around and taste our products. So
That
your
would be too
professor
risky
probably
now.
doesn't know,
That would be too risky
but
now.
that's how long ago I took organic chemistry.
How do you use organic chemistry presently in your work?
Well, interestingly, there is a resurgence of the use of chemistry in biological research these days. In fact, the field that we call chemical biology has become very, very popular. What's happening is that more and more um, people are wanting to use chemical probes to address biological hypotheses. More and more pharmaceutical companies are wanting to see pharmacological evidence in addition to genetic evidence to validate a new drug target, for example. So, researchers are keen to develop their own small molecule compounds, their own organic compounds um, that will stimulate or antagonize a receptor or an enzyme to test the role of different proteins in a particular biological process. So there's a big resurgence and new interest in organic chemistry within biology as well.
That sounds wonderful. That sounds organic chemistry is getting more and more useful as and is getting more interdisciplinary.
Yes,
Thank you so much, Professor Cohn, for your time
you're
right
welcome.
after a business trip.
You're welcome.